Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for those who value education. Children, this is our part 2 of the topic water. So I will like to quickly revise whatever was done in our previous video. In our previous video, we have learned that water is colorless, water is tasteless, water is odorless. Water and ice are the two forms of the same thing. Ice is solid form of water and water is liquid form of water. So now, today we will be learning the third phase of the water, that is gaseous form. When water is kept for boiling on a stove or a heater, water boils and you can see gas coming out of the water. It is called as steam or vapor coming out of the water. Have you ever noticed when your mother cooks rice for you? When the rice boils, then at that time the water vapor comes out of the vessel, and whenever you cover that vessel, what is there on the lid of the vessel? It is water vapor. Same thing I will be showing you here. Look here children, what I have for you. Can you see something coming out of this pot? This is a teapot and something is coming out of the pot. I will show you again. I have closed the lid and now I am again going to open it. See here, what is coming out? This is called vapor, gaseous form of water. When you heat water, it boils and it changes into water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. When water vapor cools, it changes into water. Do you know children, why do you find small droplets of water on the water bottle when you take out the bottle from the refrigerator? This is the reason. Since the temperature of the water inside the bottle taken out from the refrigerator is cooler than the outside temperature, the water condenses and forms droplets on the water bottle. Let me show you one more thing. See here in this pot, what do you find here? Here is some droplets of water inside the lid as I opened it. Again if I close it and if I again open it, you will find see here, droplets of water. This is because the water vapor rising from the pot gets cooled as I open the pot and it condenses and forms water droplets. So children, you have come to know that water has three forms. Water has three forms. Solid form is ice, gaseous form is water vapor and liquid form is water. You have seen how ice when heats it changes into water and water when boiled changes into water vapor. This is how water changes its state from one form to another form. Our next topic is solid, liquid and gas. Everything that you see around is either in solid form, liquid form or in gases. Now listen here. What is solid? Anything that you keep in your hand and which does not change its shape and have mass. Mass means weight. It is called as solid. Now I will show you some example. Now look here. This is a mobile and it is a solid form because it has a shape. It is rectangular in shape. This is a notebook. It also has a shape. Okay. And it is a watch. It also has a shape. So these all are sample of solid form. Now I will show you the liquid forms. See what I have. This is a liquid form. This is a shampoo. It's a liquid form. Okay. Now one more example I have for you. Okay. Fruit juice, squash. It is also liquid. Okay. Now this is oil, and this is also a liquid form. Now, so here you have seen all the three liquids. It does not have any form. It has taken the shape of the container. Okay. So, a liquid is the thing which does not have any shape. It takes the shape of the container. Now, I will show you some of the example of gaseous form. Now, this balloon is filled of air. Okay. And it has taken the shape of the balloon. Air is filled in this balloon and it has taken the shape of this balloon. Air also do not have any shape. Gas do not have shape. It is shapeless. Gases do not have shape of their own like liquids. Liquids also do not have shape of their own. They take the shape of the container. So here we have come to the end of this topic. So we will quickly revise our topic. Solid, liquid and gases. Everything around you, it comes in form of solid, liquid or gases. Solid has a definite shape. Liquid do not have shape. It takes the shape of the container. Same as gases, it does not have its own shape. Okay. Now we will go to our next topic, that is water changes its form in nature. You might have seen in a TV or in the pictures of your notebook. Same thing you can see on my screen. High mountains are covered with snow. This snow melts by the warmth of sun. When the snow is warmed by the sun, it melts into water. The water flows down as river. Heat from the sun changes the water of river, lakes and seas into water vapor. As water vapor is light, it rises up in the sky like a gas balloon. Have you seen the gas balloon? How does it rise? The same way, the water vapor, it is light in weight and so it rises up in the sky, and as it rises high, it comes in contact with the cool air and then it condenses to form droplets of water. The tiny drops of water, it comes together and forms cloud and float in the sky. You know children, clouds and balloons can float in the air as they are light in their weight. These drops of water, as they become heavy, they cannot float anymore and so they fall over the land as rain. Sometimes the drops of water floating in the air, they become very cold and freeze, and they fall over the land in the form of snow or hail. Hailstones are little form of ice. So children, water changes its form in nature. Children, here we come to the end of the video, but before that we will quickly revise our topic. Water changes its form in nature. So the snows which are present on the very high mountain, it gets melt due to the heat of the sun and changes into water. Water then flows down into the river. From there, the heat of the sun changes the water into water vapor. The water vapor rises very high and there it comes in contact with the cool air and it condenses to form small droplets of water. These droplets of water, when they come together, they become very heavy and they cannot float anymore, and so they fall over the land as a rain. Now sometimes these drops of water, they get cool and freezed and they fall over the land in the form of small pieces of ice called as hailstone. So children, do not forget to see this video again and again, and do not forget to subscribe this channel so that you get the upcoming videos which will help you in your study. Here on the screen, few hard words are given for you. Refer these hard words, learn and write it in your notebook. Also, I have given you some few exercises which you have to do in your notebook. So till then, until the upcoming video, you take care of your parents, of yourself, and obey your parents. Goodbye.